How you doing? How you doing, my people? This is Master Calvin FX, El Dorado FX, as usual here with you guys, trying to do the best forecast as possible and trying to bring you the best analysis possible in gold and also US30. Oh, guys, what can I tell you that you don't know? As you know, we're sponsored by Vantage FX and BU Prime, our brokers. So if you follow us and follow our signal, you know that we are basically killing it in our premium group. So I hope that you guys are enjoying with us, even though I know, guys, this is not financial advice, but we're gonna try to do my best to offer you an analysis of the market. All right. Today, I'm just gonna do a little recap in this. Basically, remember, guys, that we draw these trend lines, and gold was unable to go above them. So, meaning that the respect of this trend line indicate us that gold wanted to drop. We got the drop from here in our BIP. We also got the drop from this area today from 30. It was 32 our entry. It was really, really nice, especially after the indication of the break here. So it was amazing. So congratulations to those who made profit with us today. So now let's go to our analysis from yesterday and the entry that we gave that we're both invalidated. So despite we remember that, guys, I was expecting an entry on 58, but I also indicated to you guys the selling zone from 47 to 2,758. So if you manage to enter here, congratulations, because you manage yourself to get a lot of pips in here. All right. So yesterday, as we know, we're talking about more than around 900 pips. Yep, was a very crazy move, and we see the reaction there. Unfortunately, it's a break of structuring. Now we have more structure to take out, I believe, before going back up. So now my focus will be on sales. Every retracement, I'm gonna be trying to do sales. That's the only thing I can do, and that's the only thing I will be doing, especially after the break. Remember that I mentioned it before. If we break this structure here, especially after the break of 2,700, then is when we basically uh, wait for our confirmation for the bearish move. So for now, I believe that gold is in a correction phase. It most likely is gonna be because it took thousand to the downside. So after the move, let's have a look up from the all-time high. So we're talking about a lot of pips, more 1,300, meaning probably another 500 more are in order to be able to go back up. So let's see, let's keep an eye on that, and let's make our charts, and then try to see. I don't know if, guys, if you identify this head and shoulder is all here for us, but we need to see it. You see the shoulder here, we see the head, and we see the shoulder again, and then the drop. But what it put this crazy was that Trump is the new president of the United States, so we knew that gold would drop. So let's see what we have for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims, and we also got FOMC. So yeah, tomorrow will be fun because most likely FOMC usually goes to the upside. But for now, let's just go into the higher time frame and let's see, guys, what we can find. What will be our buy entry? I'm gonna still give a buy, guys, above this level here, but let's see. So there are two zones that we can look on the higher time frame and a weekly time frame. So this one here will be one of them, and then we have this one at the bottom there. All right. So this will be by areas. That's what we're gonna be looking in here as soon as the price gets to these areas. Okay. So it's a big move on the weekly area. So we also can bounce Let's see from here. Let's see how we behave tomorrow. But for now, this is our focus. So find a buy here and then try to take the all-time high. That would be one of the goal, but price must go above 2,723 to be able to do that. Otherwise, we're gonna go down again. So this is the move that basically anticipating. So this is the area that we have for look for sales. All right. There's a lot of uncertainty right now in the market, but we also have the war still around. Now that Trump is in power, let's see what's going to happen. But this is what I'm waiting for. So buy here, targeting the all-time high, even the 3K that we've been expecting. Or simply wait for this level down here and then just go for it. Okay, so confirmations, find confirmations in there, and then go for a big buy correction up. And after we've been in a bullish market for so long, we have this going down. But once again, this is a simple analysis as it gets. I cannot simplify it more. So if you guys want to find accurate entries is a bit complicated in this kind of market, but I'm gonna try to do my best. But this is the weekly view, guys. So if you manage to get an entry and confirmations around these nice prices, so in this case, this is the first price that we're looking, the first area. So we're talking about 2,648 to 2,638 100 pips area. And then again, the second area will be this one right here. So then we got, yeah, another nice area here, 2,621, 2,604. That would be a massive area of more than 150 pips, but it will be worth it if we find confirmations in there. For me, the preferable entry is in weekly time frame, remember. So it would be 38, and then we get an SL. That would be the first buy actually. So in here, so if we get this move, yeah, this would be my first buy. But the SL will be really 32. That would be the SL actually. In this case, not really risking much in case that gold decides to to flick down. So remember, we also have this in line, so we can retest this area once again and go back up all the way. But for now, we'll be focusing on sales buy as well. So yeah, that's the reason why we expecting some move from here as well, and targeting in this case 2,600, right? Or below if we break these prices. All right, this is can be the other area, but for now let's do the parameters. So 2,640, sorry, 2,640 could be, as I say, again, the take profit, to be honest, is could be the all-time high, 2,600. In this case, let's go to this 2,850. That's also a level that I'm expecting if we get the bounce from this weekly area. And this is a weekly time frame analysis. Remember, guys, this is for swing. Hopefully, we get the entry on swing, at least from the area. And then we get 2,600, and in this case, and 32, actually. Yeah, that would be the swing that we can try. And then in this scenario, once again, we're going to try to get another entry here from this buy area. So it's 2,000. Yeah, 2,605. 2,605. And then the profit level, 2,850. And then we're going to go for the SL in 2,000. 600 and sorry 758. So, sorry, this was too much. I got a mistake here. This 2,658. Sorry, a mistake here. What happening here? I'm sorry, my stock level. I don't know why it's not getting the right price. But here we are. What's going on? Keep correcting me because it's 2,598. What I'm looking for. That is why. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's basically what we want to see. Okay, in a weekly time frame. Let's see, guys. Confirmation will be the respect of this whole area. Let's start looking for buys. So now let's type it down what we're expecting. So the first buy, because we're gonna type it to either side, and then we have our sell as well. So in this scenario, I could even get the sell from the opening price. So that would be a good scenario to get again a correction and a sell. Okay, so that would be the case. So these three ideas is the one I'm giving. So, but in this case, if a price manages to bounce from this whole level, then we'd be very interesting to see go into 2,550. So 2,732, that would be the retest area that we're looking for. And actually 31 would be the entry. And then 2,737 would be the 2,550 would be the target in this scenario. 2,600, sorry, 700 and 37 will be the SL. Okay, so remember these are weekly levels. So let's see. So 70 to 80 pips SL. And now we're gonna type down all of that for you guys so you have a clear view and a clear understanding of what we expecting. So the first buy idea. Okay, check confirmations from 2,708 to 2,732. That would be a massive area, but that's what we're looking for. 132, so it's really massive, but we need to be sure. Oh, sorry for actually that was the sell. Sorry about that. And it's too late to do the video again. But let's go. Sorry, I'm gonna type it again. So first buy idea. So it would be from 2,648 or 2,006. Check confirmation 2,648 to 2,638. That would be the area. And then entry idea 2,640. TP 2,600 700. TP 2,950. Standard TP 3K. And sell 2,632. Okay, this is our first buy idea. And now we go for the second buy idea. Second buy idea. Confirmations from 2,621 to 2,603. So entry idea 2,605. TP 2,700. TP 2,950. TP extended 3K, right? And then the SL 2598. Okay, so now we have it. First and second by idea. Let's reduce the size so we can adjust it accordingly. So there we go. So now we have our third idea, would be the cell here. Third idea. Check confirmations. One moment. 2,709 to 2,732. Okay, entry idea 2,731. TP 2,650. TP 2,600. The extended, so 2,550. SL 2,737. So it's taking a bit longer than usual, but to tie down everything that you need, guys, is the way I do it. Okay, for now, let's focus on these weekly levels. Let's see what happens. And yes, as usual, if you want signals, just follow us in El Dorado FX Premium, and then we can provide signals for you. Congratulations for those that basically follow our US30 analysis. It has been a banger for the last 2 days. Why did I say that? Because remember, we mark it up for you guys and we show you the way it was going. And I said to you guys, we said to you, it will create a new all-time high. Yes or yes, it did that. And then now it flew from our zone more than 2,000 points. So congratulations to those that have been following the analysis. Once again, now probably we're gonna have a retracement to this area, to this price, 43,335. Most likely that is gonna keep buying up, okay? But we need a retracement and then let's see what happens. But for now, congratulations. I think it's more than enough for a week to get more than 2,000 points on US30. Okay, guys, this is all from me. Sorry it took me a bit longer today, but we have to identify a few levels in a weekly level, which is a weekly time frame, which is not really that simple. So I'll leave you to it and take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.